As well as being cake mad, I am actually cat mad. Even more so than cake mad, I think. I absolutely love cats. I live and breathe cats. I have 2 of my own and lost count of the amount of cats that I've rescued as a volunteer. But anyway, when I was asked to make this pink cake with the birthday girl's very own cat on top, I jumped at it. I've never actually made a fondant cat. Or I did a little children's character one. But this is a more, I wouldn't say realistic because it's not very realistic, but it's more like the birthday girl's cat than a little cartoon. So we've got him black and white with this white stripe up his nose because he's black and white, and then he's got one black front leg, and he's just sat there on top of the cake. He's got his little whiskers as well. I've just used some little florist wire for his whiskers and just stuck them in. So this is a non-edible topper, even though it's made out of fondant icing. The head is supported with an internal wooden skewer, a cocktail stick as well. So, I mean, you could eat it, but you would have to advise your customers that it's got non-edible elements to it. And then on the bottom I've used some little impression letters to write out Happy Birthday Lucy. And she's really into pink. So we've gone for this sort of deep pink, this pink that sort of pops. And some matching pink chocolates. I've matched some black and white little edible pearls for this. The black for the kitty and the white and pinks for the rest of the cake. So it all ties in together nicely. And then around the board a black ribbon. So this one is a chocolate cake with a chocolate ganache finish. But then I've used pink buttercream on the very, very outer to finish it off completely. And then I've used some pink deco melts for the drip on this one. That's worked really well. I've never used it for a drip before. I usually use them on cake pops, but I had some spare and I used it, and do you know what? I prefer it. I usually use royal icing for drips, and then you can colour it any colour you want. But luckily I had pink deco melts, so I used those, and I do prefer the flow of the deco melts. But unfortunately, without me buying a pack of every single colour, I'll only be able to use it as and when. But yeah, and then I've gone around the top with swirled pink buttercream, the little kitty in the middle with some pink flowers and some white foliage. Some pink macarons, not macarons, meringues. I always get those mixed up. And then some more flowers around the side. So this, even though it might not be one of my favourite designs, this has to be one of my favourite cakes, I'm afraid, because of the little kitty. Cakes and kitties. I love them. And I love this cake.